Hydroponic farming is a system of growing crops without soil, often called soilless farming. In the hydroponic system, the plant roots grow in a liquid nutrient solution, or inside the moist inert materials, like rockwool and vermiculite. The liquid nutrient solution is a mixture of essential plant nutrients in the water. Higher productivity than the traditional farming system, the plant nutrients are effectively used, and there is no wastage. The hydroponic system is a controlled climate system in which the crops can grow year-round. Water utilization is low when compared to the traditional farming method, up to 80 to 90% lower. Dear viewers, today in this video we will try to explain the method of hydroponic farming water culture system, step by step, and advantages and disadvantages. Hydroponic farming, all of the plant's requirements are met and managed in a system, so you may grow plants in a small apartment, bedrooms, or kitchen as long as you have some space. Hydroponic farmers have complete control over the environment, including climate, temperature, humidity, light, and air composition. That is, you can grow foods throughout the year, regardless of the season. Farmers can increase their profits by planting crops at the right time. There are few core elements that make up a successful hydroponic farming system, as like fresh water, oxygen, root support, nutrients and light. First of all, find a large watertight container, fish tank, or aquarium to use as your growing bed. If your growing bed is translucent, or transparent, paint it black, or construct a shield using aluminum foil, or cardboard to block off the light. You can make some part of the light shield removable, if you wish to view your plant roots. Build a floating platform to hold your plants. Cut holes in the styrofoam to hold the planting pots, or mesh pots, so that the base of the pots hangs beneath the bottom of the styrofoam float without falling through. Cut as many holes as required, based on the number of plants you want to grow. Also cut a small hole to run the air line into the growing chamber. Make sure you space the holes properly, so that each plant receives enough light. Mix the growing medium, and pour into the mesh, or planting pots, and add the plants. Fill up the growing chamber with water, and mix the plant food, nutrient, or fertilizer, with water as directed by the nutrient manufacturer. Check the pH of the solution, and adjust according to the requirement of the crop you want to grow. Run the air line through the small hole you made in the styrofoam, and attach it to the air stone. Place the air stone in the growing chamber, and attach the air line to the air pump. Plug the air pump into your electrical outlet, and check if bubbles are coming up from the air stone. Place the floating platform on the nutrient solution, then place the mesh, or planting pots in the designated holes in the floating platform, and turn on the air pump. Place the system where it can receive enough sunlight, otherwise add a grow light. Add only water to the solution to bring the level back up when the plants have expended about half of the nutrient solution. You can check and adjust the pH again if necessary. Adding additional nutrients or fertilizer here will increase the nutrient concentration, which can harm your plants. Drain the growing chamber and mix a fresh nutrient solution when your crops have used up half of the plant nutrient solution for the second time.